是那一次无意的回眸，让我决定牵起你的手，给你我承诺，给你我追求，还有我的真情和所有。
就是那一次人海中邂逅，让我决心一生伴你走，给你我体贴，给你我温柔，还有我的真爱和自由。
牵你的手，
一肩头，
美丽风景我们去共游，幸福感受，
快乐依旧，恩恩爱爱到天长地久。
牵你的手。
一肩头。
How to arrange automatic welding machine for railing. According to the original design, let's see, enlarge 200%. With a very long axis, arranged two working areas with two OP box and two photo sensor. Only single machines. At the beginning, the PO fixed the material and the clamper fixed all the material on the turning table and press a cycle start on OP box. The program will automatically weld the railing. It takes about 8 minutes to finish the welding. In the meantime, a group of OP fixed component, everything at the second area working place. All the parts has to be finished within 8 minutes. More than one person can join the wrench and the clamping procedures to take 8 minutes and leave to press the OP box, let the photo sensor on. After the first one finished, the program will automatically welding the second parts, and the OP can take the finished parts out and continue to fix the next component, and so on. The side view like this. Which is a cantilever machine. For the consideration of convenient operations, for the gantry machine, then it's very hard to enter from the sides. A payload is designed for the balance and accuracy of the cantilever wide beam. These machines designed for the original ion beds, but the ion bed machine postponed. We deliver the 5X cantilever machines to the military usage. Right now we have the 3D model, and as well as the fan. We can use arrangement function of CMSCAPP to fast design a physical virtual machines. For the customer reference. Right now we provide 2 machine sets. It's better for foreign countries user. Let's see how to use the original machine to use arrangements functions to prepare to design a new machine for new requirements of the customer. First, we have to copy the original machines CSV, HN pick. Copy this one. And rename it as HM pick 3 and open this Excel file. This is the first machine. This is original first machine's turning table, and this is the right fence. We better change to the same, the 6. This is the right left fence. For the new designs, the first station and the second stations we have to duplicate. And the OB box duplicated as well. So the first 2 duplicated. The totally is 21. Put a cursor here and insert 21 blank space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And copy the first two stations. And pass at the blank space. The third stations we have to remove. The view. As to the arrangement, we wait until adopting by the program CMS, EMS, and then doing the arrangement of the third station. The first turntable as well. Okay. As to the post box, this one and this one. The PO box has to be duplicated according to the design. So in here we have to leave 4 blank space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then copy the right fence to the blank space. And change the position. We say how about 4200. And the left fence we have to shift space. Suppose 7200. Okay, that's all. And then we have to save it. Yes. Yes. Save it. Yes. Yes. And then to remove the original one by using new and sing in, name of sing. This one is we just edit. You can see 3 fans already, 2 machines and a turning table at the same positions. And we have to change Control 3, move this to the left, arrange scene. We move 2, 3, minus 3, 3, 3400. Okay, but still too close. 2 machines collided. Let's try minus 4200. Okay, too big space. Change to minus 4100. Perfect. So the station 4 for the reading, we have to move x to minus 400 as well, the same as the machine. Four, 5, 6 position has to adjust it. 6. Right now at the minus 420, we change to 3400. Okay, and the left positions. Okay. So suppose these arrangements satisfied, then we can adjust the viewport. After the viewport satisfied, we have to save view and then sync output. The same file name are hnpic3.csv. That's all. Then we have to the same machines arranged the new designs as these machines go to Malaysia. With 2 machines, we don't worry about any damage happened. We have another one to use. As to the first and the second control stations, never change. The script designs of the welding can see the same running as before.
你的手，
一缕牵口，
未来日子我们来相守。岁月静走，
真情不朽。
一生陪伴解放白首。
大家好，我是 DJ 何鹏，感谢大家关注原音坊，关注好音乐。
就是那一次人海中邂逅，让我决心一生伴你走。给你我承诺，给你我追求，还有我的真情和所有。
就是那一次人海中邂逅，让我决心一生伴你走。给你我提前